Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be cleaning my room. I have finally cleaning my room, but it's not going to be a very deep clean. I'm not going to clean out my drawers or clean out my closet under my bed. That's for another time. But we're just going to clean what we see right now because my friends are coming over tomorrow to go swim. I think you will see a vlog on that. I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog, but we'll see. But we're just gonna clean my surroundings. And yeah, so let's get started. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. Okay guys, this is the current state of my room. I know it's so messy. That's why I need to clean it. This is like a little mini room tour for you guys. But the only things I'm not gonna clean is my drawers, my closet, and under my bed, because we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. So we're just gonna clean what we see. So let's go. The thing is, I don't know what to start with. I'm gonna save my desk for last. I think I should clean this corner up, so let's go. I don't really want to throw this water away because this is from Europe, and if you have ever been to Europe, they keep their caps on their bottles so that you don't lose it, and it's so useful because I lose a lot of my bottle caps. Same thing with this one, but this one's like a flip over style, so you just do that. I don't want to get rid of these because these are basically artifacts or like souvenirs. I get emotionally attached to them. This is Europe water too, by the way. I don't even know why I smelled it. But phase 1 is finished. I'm just gonna put that in the laundry, but other than that, everything else is clean. I'm just gonna put that in the trash. And yeah, so let's move on to phase 2, my bed. Okay, so my bed is done now. By the way, there's nothing I could do about this thing because no matter how many times I rearrange it, I don't have enough space in my closet. It just won't look neat enough. So we're just gonna have to leave it there, so yeah. So phase 3 is these two messy spots. I don't know why it got this messy. I don't know how I got it this messy, but it's just not looking good. So we're gonna go organize this so that it's organized as possible. It's now time for the phase I have been dreading since the start of this video. It's literally my desk. What the freak? But this is what my two little messy corners look like now. Way better, I guess. This one is just a little bit more organized. This one, it's better. We're gonna have to do my desk, and I hate this. Okay, so this is the desk. I still think it looks messy in my opinion, but it looks way neater. I have more space for my iPad and like, I don't know, whatever I want to do. There's like these smudges that I literally can't get off. This is literally super glue. So yeah, I can't really get that off, but I did like wipe it off a little bit so that there's not a lot of dust, but there is dust here. So yeah, we are now gonna go ahead, take my big bag of goldfish down and wash these two that was filled with slime. Okay guys, are you guys ready to see my finished clean room? Ta-da! It looks way better. There's nothing clashing in the way. I don't know, it's still a tiny bit messy in my opinion, but it looks way better than the before. So this is the after. What you guys think? I absolutely love it. So that is it for my room clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't because I needed to clean my room, but honestly it's really good for like, I don't know, for cleanliness. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday, and maybe one day, hopefully one day, I'll deep clean my room. I'm talking all my drawers, my closet, under my bed, all the things you don't see is gonna be cleaned because it is very, very messy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye guys.